Heard of Ivan the Fool? Well, I'm an American. In no rush to be Russian. But while you Stalin and keep roaming off the topic, I'm actually Nicholas II. Big bear arms impress in Siberia, sure. In Texas, big bear arms are quite literally yours. No Putin in a gulag, disputin' Rasputin for rations of goulash, lest I stare at one's souls to say Zig Hail Gorbachev. My dumbass is safe passage. This river Styx, slow, Dad said there'd be rapids. With blasphemous breath in my chest, I say to your false Chernobog, does your Georgia have peaches? Haven't you heard Atlanta means Israel in English? Don't cry me a river. When you stand in your mirror, won't you push breasts together and say, make Catherine the Great again?